meter per liter. Now we are getting like hello do people. Today we have got this Xpulse 200 BS6 model. After waiting for so long, this bike is neatly sanitized and washed and was given to me for test ride. So I'll be doing the review for this. Is the first test ride video in YouTube in English. Now I'll be telling you the difference. You can see the next video. This is the new Xpulse 200 BS6 model and this is the BS4 model. So I'll be showing you what are the changes in this. So you can see this exhaust routing has been completely changed in the BS6 model. So before it was like parallel, you can see this. So in this model, it's like parallel to the engine and it's coming from like this. So in this BS6 model, you can see the exhaust routing has been like this. But there are no any sort of design changes or anything. Only the exhaust routing has been changed and the 1 bhp has been decreased. So I'll be telling you all those in the video. And the design is exactly same. You will be getting the single channel ABS system. There is no dual channel ABS, and you will be getting that white, red, and another one is that military color. So there are no color changes in this. And the exhaust routing you can see here, catalytic converter have been introduced and the exhaust routing has been before it was like parallel, now it has been coming from under, and then we can expect more sort of mileage. Weight has been increased. Now before it was like 154, now it's like 157, so 3 kg have been increased compared to the BS4. I have this 1 liter of petrol with me. So in this bike there is much little amount of fuel. So this is also like much little amount of fuel. It is not like pure 1 liter. So we'll be mixing that fuel in this and we'll be setting the trip meter to 0. Okay, now fill this bike with this 1 liter of fuel. I know this is not a particular way to check the mileage for the fuel injection engine. This may harm the fuel pump, but it's fine to check with once or twice, but doing it regularly may harm the fuel pump, so I don't suggest this method. Yeah. Now we'll set the trip meter to 0. We go to the mode button. Okay, now the trip meter is completely set to 0, so that where it stops we'll get to know the exact mileage. So while riding, I'll be telling you how the bike feels compared to the BS4. So my height is around like 5'11", so you can see that I can easily touch my legs to the ground. So if you are around like 5'8" to 6, I mean like 5'7" to 6'5", also it will be very useful. So below that, it will be not so comfortable because your legs will not be touching. When you get used to the bike, you can easily, it will be very comfortable for you. But if you're a starter, so this bike will be very difficult if you're like below 5'7". Okay, now we'll start the bike. Before that, we'll check the exhaust now. So the exhaust note is same. I feel some sort of smoothness in this. Due to some reasons, the speedometer is not working here, but the trip meter works. So it's better we okay. Now we'll check about the initial torque, I mean the initial power, so whether it's fine compared to the BS4. Wow, it's pretty good actually. So I don't feel any sort of power decrement in this. The engine is much more pure refined engine. There is no any sort of vibrations or any sounds. The engine is very smooth. So now we are not getting that carburetor engine. Now we are getting this fuel injection engine. So increase the oil cooled in the engine, which increases the engine performance, maintaining the optimum temperature so that you don't feel the much amount of heat near your leg. This is actually good. The bike feels so very stable, very stable, and it's easily very comfortable to ride. So you can easily cruise around like 100 km/h in the highway, and you're also getting the better mileage. So when I used to check the mileage for BS4 in the highway, I used to get around like 45 to 50 within that, and in the city I used to get like 40 km/L. So now I'll be checking the mileage. I mean, for the BS6 inside the city, we'll check how much it will be giving, so that we can guess how much it gives in the city. So in this only the speed doesn't show, but the trip meter will work. I don't know how the trip meter is working, but only the speedometer is not working due to some loose connections here. You can see at the front the 150cc mileage king, and here you can see the 200cc mileage king. 150cc mileage king is R15 version 3, and the 200cc mileage king is Xpulse 200, man. Wow. Guru, traffic jam. Oh papa, asuna aದೇನಕ್ಕೆ ಹಸುನ ಈಚೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಮನೇಲೇ ಸಾಕದು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈಚೆ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಪಾಪ ಅದು ಏನೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. Sorry for speaking in Kannada. I need to use this language in the middle so that I can show that Kannada. I'm from Karnataka and I'm the one first reviewing this vehicle in the English. ಸೊ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸೊ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೂ ನಾನು ವೀಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಏನೂ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಬೇಡಿ. What the fuck, man? You can see the tree. I don't know why they are parking the car like this. If the tree falls on that car, and they will go stand near the insurance company to claim the insurance. It's better to maintain safety anyway. Oh boss, leave some place. It's jerking too much. I guess the fuel is low. It's jerking. It started to jerk too much. Completely stopped now. Mileage section. So the mileage gave around like 42 km/L. So before it used to give like 40 km per liter. Now we are getting like 42 km per liter. That is like 2 km extra. In highway Pakka we'll get 100% sure, I'm telling you, we'll be getting around 50 km per liter if you are riding in the economy mode. So this is actually pretty good. So if you are thinking that BS6 model the power will be decreased and the torque will be decreased, no, it's not actually. It's just a decrease in the numbers you can see, but when you're riding it, you can actually feel that power is not decreased. It's actually good. And the engine refinement is next level compared to the BS4. In BS4 you used to feel like slight vibrations, but in this BS6 model there's no any sort of vibrations or any sound in the engine, from the engine, sorry. So this BS6 model is actually good. So if you are booking, come to the Sai Motors Banshankari. If you are in a Bangalore, you can test ride the bike, you can book the bike, and you'll be getting this bike within 3 days or in a week. So if you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe and comment your thoughts. So see you all in the next vlog. Until then, bye from the door.